Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Guy. I'm the CMO of PayKey, and together with me is Mai, our Director of Business Development in Europe. Banks invest heavily in the mobile application. They fight hard to provide their users the best digital experience. However, the threat from social network and messaging application is huge. This is where users spend most of their time. This is where they communicate with each other. This is where they share information. This is where they shop now. And this is also the place they expect to get their financial services.
Today, we will show you a new and innovative way to allow your customers to access key banking services right from the app they use the most on their mobile device, which is the mobile keyboard. So PayKey is a social banking solution that enables your customers to access any banking services right from within their app they're in, straight from within the keyboard, without having to leave the chat. So let us show you how it works.
So I'm chatting with Mai on WhatsApp, sending her the following message. Hi, Mai. Just a reminder of last night dinner. The tab was $30.
And Guy, to be honest, I can't believe you took me to such a lousy restaurant and you actually expect me now to split the bill. You're a CMO, pay up.
I don't know what you're talking about. It was actually a very good pizza. But jokes aside, let's see how it works. So I'm sure you're familiar with this keyboard. It's a regular keyboard, but it has one unique feature on it. Can you spot it?
Guy is referring to the unique social banking key. Tapping on it, open up a menu of banking services that are instantly available to your customers straight from any app they're in without having to leave the app.
So now, when May wants to pay me back, all she has to do is press the payment button, choose my contact, type in the amount, and authenticate. Now, this authentication is the same authentication from the mobile banking app. No changes in that. And boom, money is transferred.
Now, this is the banking experience your customer expects today. Before PayKey, if I want to pay Guy, I had to leave WhatsApp and open the bank app or a digital wallet in order to make that transaction. But from now on, the peer-to-peer payment experience is simple, frictionless, and easy.
But PayKey is not only about peer-to-peer payment. You see that red dot on the payment button? That indicates that Mai has a message from her bank. If I click on it, or if Mai clicks on it, and go to her messages, she can see a special promotion from her bank about a loan with special rates.
Now, this guarantees a higher level of engagement and response rate. It's just simply too hard to ignore.
But PayKey is not only about messaging application. It's actually available from any app on the user device. Now, take a look at this app. I'm sure you're all familiar with Amazon. And now Mai is searching for a new headset once again. But just before adding it to her cart, she can instantly access her account to check her balance and see if she can afford it.
So I'm just tapping on the bank button, my account, and that's it. I can actually forward for it. Now, Amazon is just one random example. Customer can check their balance from within any e-commerce app or any mobile site.
So at PayKey, we work with global banks around the world. We are now live with more than 10 banks globally. And now here are a few examples of how banks literally implemented PayKey with their app. So what you see right now is ING in Poland. You see the ING logo as part of the keyboard, always in front of the customer. And once users press on the banking button, a menu of services appears. ING decided to put peer-to-peer and merchant payment using Blick. Another example is Standard Chartered in Korea. Again, you see their logo right there on the keyboard, and once users press on it, here's the menu of services that Standard Chartered provide their customers. Last but not least, recently we have launched PayKey here in the UK with First Direct, part of HSBC. Great excitement for us. And you see the First Direct logo on the keyboard, enabling instant peer-to-peer transfer straight from the keyboard. So user press on the logo, type in the amount, checking the contact, and making a transaction straight within any social network or messaging application.
So to wrap it all up, the keyboard takes up to 40% of your customer screens. And once you are there, you have the ability to boost your customer engagement 24/7 by offering your customer contextual, frictionless banking experience. So by partnering with us, we really put you exactly where your customers are. Please come and see us after the demos are over. We have a booth out there, and we would love to show you a live demo of our solution. Thank you.